Hello and welcome. Today, we have a special story for you, My First Day at Work. If you are learning English, this story will help you practice common phrases and vocabulary for everyday life. Let's start the day together. It's a sunny morning. I wake up early. The alarm clock rings. Beep, beep, beep. I turn off the alarm. I feel excited because today is my first day at work. I take a deep breath and get out of bed. I look out the window. The sky is blue and the sun is shining. I'm happy. I go to the bathroom and wash my face with cold water. It feels refreshing. I brush my teeth with toothpaste, brushing up and down to make sure my teeth are clean. After I finish, I look in the mirror. My face looks ready for the day. I smile at myself. I walk to my closet. I open the door and look at my clothes. I see my new shirt. It's clean, bright, and nice. I put it on. I also wear my new pants and shoes. I look good. I feel good. Now I'm ready. I go back to the bathroom and fix my hair. It's neat and tidy. I take my bag and put it over my shoulder. I look at the clock. It's time to go. I leave the house, closing the door behind me. I go to the kitchen. It's quiet and peaceful in the morning. I open the fridge and take out the eggs. I place them on the counter. I also take out bread for toast and my favorite juice. I start to cook. I crack the eggs into a pan. Crack! I hear the sound as the eggs start to cook. I make toast in the toaster. Pop. The toast is ready. I sit at the table and eat slowly. The eggs are soft and warm. The toast is crispy and the juice is sweet and cold. I feel good. I feel calm. I eat my breakfast and think about my first day at work. I look at the clock again. It's time to leave. I finish my breakfast and wash my plate. I put on my coat, grab my bag, and put on my shoes. Then I go out the door. I walk to the bus stop. It's not far from my house. The bus stop is busy. There are other people waiting for the bus too. Some people are looking at their phones while others are talking to each other. I wait in line and soon I see the bus coming. It's a big red bus. I can hear the sound of the engine. The bus stops and the door opens. I get on the bus. It's crowded, but I find a seat. I sit by the window and look outside. The city is busy. People are walking to work, cars are driving by, and some people are riding bikes. I can hear the noise of the city. The street is full of life. I feel excited because it's my first day, but I am also nervous. I take a deep breath and try to relax. I know everything will be okay. The bus moves slowly. I look outside and see shops, restaurants, and parks. The trees are green and the sun is shining. I can see people walking on the sidewalks. They all look busy. The bus stops at more places and more people get on. Some people stand while others sit. The bus is full now. It's getting close to my stop. I look at the bus map to make sure I know where I am. Soon, the bus stops again. It's my stop. I get off the bus and walk to the office building. It's a big building with many floors. The windows shine in the sunlight. I walk inside. The doors open automatically. Whoosh! It's cool inside. I see a big sign that says "Welcome" at the entrance. There is a receptionist sitting at a desk. She looks up and smiles. "Good morning," she says. "Welcome to the office." I smile back and say, "Good morning. Thank you." She gives me a badge with my name on it. I put it on my shirt. The badge has my name and the company's name. "Go up to the 3rd floor," she says. "Your office is there." "Thank you," I reply. I take the elevator to the 3rd floor. The elevator doors open, and I walk out. The office is big and clean. There are many desks with computers. People are working at their desks. Some are typing. while others are talking on the phone. I feel excited. I'm finally here. This is my new workplace. Mr. John, my boss, is standing by a desk. He smiles and shakes my hand. Nice to meet you, he says. Welcome to the team. Thank you, I say. I feel a little nervous but try to stay calm. Mr. John shows me to my desk. This is your desk, he says. It's next to the window. I can see the city outside. My computer is on the desk. There's also a phone and a notebook. Everything looks clean and neat. I sit down at my desk. Mr. John introduces me to my coworkers. This is Anna, he says. Anna smiles at me. Hi, I'm Anna. Welcome. I smile back and say, Hi, I'm James. Nice to meet you. This is Mark, Mr. John says. Mark looks up from his computer. Hi, he says. Welcome to the team. Hi, Mark, I say. Thank you. I feel happy. Everyone is friendly and kind. I know I will like working here. It's time to start working. Mr. John gives me my first task. Please read these emails, he says, and then write a report. I start reading the emails. They are about different projects. Some emails are short, and some are long. I read carefully, making sure I understand everything. The emails use simple words, but some words are new to me. I write down the new words and their meanings in my notebook. After I finish reading, I begin writing my report. It's not difficult, but I want to do it well. I type carefully on the computer. The office is quiet, except for the sound of typing. I look around. My coworkers are also working. Everyone is focused. I take my time. I check my report twice before I send it. I feel proud of my work. It's lunchtime. I leave my desk and go to the kitchen. Some of my coworkers are already there. Anna is making a sandwich and Mark is sitting at the table. Hi, I say. How is your day going? It's good, Anna says. How about you? It's my first day, I say, but everything is going well. Mark laughs. Your first day is always exciting. We all sit down at the table and eat our lunch. I have a sandwich and a bottle of water. Anna has a salad and Mark has a burger. We talk about work and life. It's nice to relax during the break. I feel comfortable here. My coworkers are friendly, and I feel like I am part of the team. After lunch, it's time to work again. I go back to my desk and check my emails. I have some new emails to read. They are important. I take my time to read each one carefully. I send a few replies to my boss and my coworkers. At the end of the day, Mr. John comes over to my desk. Great job today, he says. Keep up the good work. I smile and say, Thank you, Mr. John. I feel happy. I worked hard, and it feels good. It's time to go home. I take my bag and stand up. I say goodbye to my coworkers. See you tomorrow, I say. See you, Anna says. Have a good evening. I leave the office and walk to the bus stop. The day was long, but it was a good day. I feel tired, but I also feel proud. I wait for the bus. When it arrives, I get on. I find a seat by the window. The bus is not as full now. I can sit and relax. I look outside and think about my first day. It was a day full of new things, but I feel happy. I know I am going to like working here. And that's the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, when you're learning English, it's important to practice every day. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more English learning stories. See you next time.